What's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali and today I'm going to show you this makeup look which I have achieved in only 10 simple steps. So if you want to learn how I have achieved this glossy and dewy, a flawless base, so keep watching this video. It has only 10 simple steps and all the beginners can easily do it. Trust me, very easy. So the first step in the makeup is your skin preparation. So step 1, before the step 1, I have already completed with my face wash. Then I have done my toning. Then I have done my moisturizer. That is the step 1 is doing your moisturizer, doing your lip balm. And also I have used this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer. It is perfect for all skin types. First step, I'm also including after the moisturizer a good primer. So I'm using this Eva Cosmetics Photo Finish Primer, HD Face Primer. So it is a matte. It has silicone in it. So very good. You need to apply this also in circular motions. So this is the step 1, in which the basic step is skin preparation. You need to prep your skin. Step 2 is concealing. You will conceal all your dark points, dark pigmentation, dark circles, acne scars, or whatever skin condition you are having on your face. You can just cover it with this magical product, that is your concealer, which should be 2 to 3 tones darker to your skin tone. So here I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a very good product. On all the dark points. The texture is very creamy. See, everything just gets covered instantly. I hope you could see the difference after concealing. So you can just take your concealer brush, or even with your fingers you can just spread and tap this off. I'm using my concealer brush from Pro Art. See, all the pigmentation is covered completely. This was your step 2. Step 3 after your concealing is the foundation. So here I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory. So you can just look up for your shade and use your foundation. You can use whatever foundation you are having or which just suits your skin shade. It should be exactly of your skin tone. Otherwise, you will face the problem that your base gets grey or darker or gets oxidized. So please buy it in your shade only. Don't buy it in lighter or brighter shades. It will eventually look very odd after you do your makeup. Also, I believe you should just love your own skin color. You don't need to do makeup to get, brighter skin tones or skin shades. Just be in your shade. Dab it off. You can use your beauty blender too if you wish to do. Also spread this foundation on your eyelids also. See, everything is covered. Blend. Blending is the only key. I know it's a tiring process, but that is only the key for a flawless base and makeup. See. Step 4 is to powder your face. So I'm using the PAC banana powder. I love to use banana powders because it doesn't add any color to your face. This is the loose powder. It's translucent in shade. All over the face to lock your base. You can just dab it, or you can just do in circular motions, whatever you are comfortable with. Step 5 is to contour and highlight your face. So for contouring, I am using this Forever 52 Dina Bhushan's collection palette. It is beautiful palette. It has one contouring shade, one blush shade, one highlighting shade. So I'll use the contour from this. Contouring is optional. If you wish to do, you can, because everyone doesn't do contouring for your everyday or just go to makeup look. So it's completely optional. And we'll do the highlighting now. That is the most favorite step. I'm using the Forever 52 highlighter. On the highest points of your face. I personally like to put on a lot of highlighter, so if you like it simple, you can skip this much of highlighter. I like it strong, glossy. Step number 6 is to add colors to your face. So we will begin with a blush on your face. I'm using this blusher palette from iMagic. It has beautiful shades for all skin tones. So I'll mix today this peach and this pink. A little bit on your nose tip to add freshness. This will make your makeup look fresh. Step number 7 is to fill your eyebrows. So I'm using a brown and a black shade mix from this palette from Forever 52. It's a beautiful palette. We'll use the same palette to do our eyebrows, and you will use the same palette to also do our eyeshadow. A very good palette. So for the daytime or your normal makeup, you can do your eyebrows with powder. If you are going on a wedding or something, you can use a gel, eyebrow gel, okay? Also for this look, you can even use your eyebrow pencils if you use them. They are also very easy to use. See, so much difference eyebrow makes, seriously. Eyebrows just enhances your face, your makeup, your whole makeup look. So step 8 is to apply a neutral eyeshadow in the brown shade or in pink shade, but I'll just match it with my outfit. So I will be using a brown shade on my eyelid. So we won't do it a matte because we are not using any technical makeup brush or something, as this is a makeup tutorial for beginners. I'll just use my fingers to apply a shadow on my eyelid. I will be using this shadow on my whole eyelid. Just make sure that it doesn't go up, just on your eyelids, okay? See. Like this. This will add color to your makeup. Try that, it's just a tip that when you apply a single shadow, shimmery shadow like this, try that you emphasize the shade on the eyelid and on the other part of the eyes, just spread it. It gives a better finish. See. So natural, so dewy it looks. Perfect. So step number 9 is to add mascara. I'm using my favorite mascara. This is from Forever 52. Beautiful mascara. I just love this mascara. Also, the kajal is also my favorite. This kajal pencil is from Recode USA. Beautiful. Both these products are very, very beautiful. So this is our step number 9. Step 9, we are continuing with the kajal and the mascara. So here is a tip for mascara. When you apply your mascara, don't apply it simply. Apply it in a zigzag motion. It will give it a more uplifted effect. So we are done with step number 9 also. Mascara and kajal. Step number 10, which is a lipstick. A makeup is always incomplete without a lipstick. So here I'm using my favorite lipstick from Forever 52. The shade is just rubbed off. I'll mention it in the description. You can just check it. It's a beautiful shade, a nude shade, perfect for any occasion. Whenever I feel like I'm not able to understand or I'm not able to get which shade to apply for any outfit, random outfit, I just apply this shade. This is so beautiful and it is perfect for any outfit. So step 10, lipstick, which I've already applied. I also like glossy lips, so I'm just adding this gloss from Recode. So the gloss makes the lips look more fuller. That is why I love the gloss. So this is the final look. You can just try this look at your home, post a picture and tag me on my Instagram. It is Sonali Mahanjan 1523. I will be very happy and I'll surely repost your picture. So this look, you can carry it anywhere you wish to. It is so simple yet flawless. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video with all the makeup lovers and makeup beginners who wish to do makeup but tend to get confused with lots and lots of products. So this is a very guiding and very simple tutorial with only 10 products that you can do easily. This is wearable everywhere you wish to do. Also, this will give you a flawless base knowledge also. And you have any suggestions, you want me to do video on a particular topic or any other thing, you can just comment and I'll just check this out and make a video for you for sure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, okay? And take care, stay home, stay safe. Keep loving, keep supporting.